Today we're going to see evaluation of exponential and logarithmic limits. So these are the formulas. 5 formulas are there. So this first formula, this is from binomial theorem, right? This is from binomial theorem. And this 1 plus e power x is 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial, plus and so on. And then this formula is the main formula for the whole for problems I'm going to tell you today. So this is the main formula. You got to study this formula. It's like the main. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base c. You don't even need to study this formula. Just substitute a as x. Log e to the base c, 1. You know that. And then this formula also will play a role here. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x to the base c by x. This will be 1. This formula also we will see today in problems. So now let's get into some problems. The first question, limit x tends to 0, 2x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Okay, we just rationalize. Limit x tends to 0, 2x minus 1, rationalize, look at by x, to limit x tends to 0, on top we'll get 0 plus 1, oh, let's substitute 0, okay, itself 0 plus 1, this is limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x, log a, here a is 2, so log 2 to the base c into this 1, root 1 plus 1, 2, which is equal to 2 log 2 to the base c. So that's the answer for the first question. Now we'll go on to the second question. Okay, second question now. Limit x tends to 1. Okay, so let's replace x as 1 plus h. Yeah, so limit 1 plus h tends to 0, a power h minus 1 by x sine pi plus pi h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. This is minus sign by h, so a power h minus 1 by a power h minus 1 by h by minus sin by h by h. So here we'll get log a to the base e by minus by pi, right? That's the answer. So this is the answer to this question. And now we'll move on to the third question. So now the third question, actually we can't apply the formula here, but how to make it so we can apply the formula. So we can limit x tends to 0, 3 power 2x, we have to add and subtract 1, minus, so separate, minus 2 power 3x minus 1, minus plus and minus cancel. So adding and subtracting 1 by x, which is equal to, we can limit, if x tends to 0 and 3 or 2, first we'll put 2x tends to 0, take this part, 3 power 2x minus 1 by 2x into 2, minus limit 3x tends to 0, 2 power 3x minus 1 by 3x into 3. So we'll get here log 3 to the base c, and then here 2, minus log 2 to the base c, and here we'll get 3. So it is 3 power 2, 9 log 9 to the base e minus log 8 to the base e, right? It will become the power, which is equal to log 9 by 8, log m minus log n, log m by n, log 9 by 8 to the base e. That's it. That's all this question. And now let's move on to the next question. Now on the fourth question, x tends to 2, x minus 2 by log x minus 1 to the base. Okay, we divide the numerator and denominator by x minus 2. Limit, we can transpose to that side, x minus 2 tends to 0, 1 by x minus 2 by x minus 2 1, and then log x minus 1 to the base e by x minus 2. So from here, how we can take it as is limit x minus 2 tends to 0, 1 by log e x minus 2 plus 1, right? And now you know the third formula I gave you, by x minus 2. This part will become 1. So 1 by 1, what? 1. So that's the answer. Now we'll move on to the fifth question as well. And that question also we have to replace x with a plus h, and let's see how we do it. Now we are on the fifth question. So limit x tends to a, it's kind of glaring over here, it's x tends to a, log x minus log a by x minus a. So substitute this as I told, you have to replace x with a plus h. So log, oh yeah, we forgot about limit a plus h, then a cancel, h tends to 0, right? So now log a plus h minus log a by a, so a will cancel, a plus h, so h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, log a plus h by a by h by a into a, or we can just write it over here, to 1 by a is equal to, we can take it like this as 1 plus h by a, right? So this formula, log 1 plus x by x is what? 1 into 1 by a, which is equal to 1 by a. That's it. This question's over. And I forgot to tell you in the last question, actually they given as per direct substitution method the question. So I have changed the question actually and made it so it'll come with this topic. I just need to substitute that question and you'll get minus 1, log minus 1 is not defined, so it does not exist as per what they have given, but what I have given a different question, and that's direct substitution method. That's exercise number 4, but this one I'm telling as per exercise number 11. So now let's move on to the last question of this whole exercise. So now we're on the last question. Limit x tends to 0, log a minus x minus. So what we're gonna do is limit x tends to 0, log a minus x by a as per the formula, and by this, right, same x over here, and this what we can write like I told last time, we can write 1 plus minus x by a. So let's multiply negative into negative by a, 1 by a, 1 by a, so I'll just write into, I'll just write 1 by a, this is correct, Yep, it is. So now we'll get this as 1 into minus 1 by a, which is equal to minus 1 by a. That's it. That's all this exercise. So hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, please be free to ask it in the comment section, and I will reply as soon as possible as I see the comment. So thank you. Let's see next as when we see exercise number 12. And the topic of next video will be limits of the form 0 power 0 and infinity power 0. Thank you.